Taiwan is set to receive 42 M1A2T Abrams main battle tanks from the United States by the end of June this year. This is the second trance following the delivery of an initial batch of 38 tanks in December 2024. A total of 108 tanks will be acquired. As per the delivery schedule, confirmed by Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense, the remaining 28 tanks are expected by next year. The acquisition program, budgeted at approximately $1.26 billion, was conceived in 2019 to replace aging armored platforms and modernize Taiwan's land forces in response to growing threats from China. The U.S. formally approved the sale under the Foreign Military Sales Program. The first batch arrived at Taipei Port on December 15, 2024, and was transported under tight security to the Army Armor Training Command in Hsinchu County, approximately 52 miles, 83 kilometers, south of the capital. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how the American-made Abrams M1A2T is set to change Taiwan's defensive posture. Proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted and fastest VPN brand that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte. NordVPN provides a 256-bit encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy and also enables you to access contents that are blocked based on geolocation. Its threat protection system helps you avoid phishing, scams, and malware. NordVPN application is available for all the major platforms as well as browsers. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive saving by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The M1A2 Abrams is renowned for its robust design, combining heavy armor, powerful armament, and good mobility. Its armor is a critical feature, utilizing Chubam armor, a British-developed composite armor augmented by depleted uranium inserts. This combination provides exceptional defense against modern anti-tank threats, offering unparalleled protection for the crew of 4: commander, gunner, loader, and driver. The tank's primary armament is the 120mm M256 smoothbore cannon, capable of firing a variety of ammunition, including armor-piercing, fin-stabilized discarding sabot, high-explosive anti-tank, and high-explosive rounds. Secondary armaments include a 7.62mm M240 machine gun and a .50 caliber M2HB heavy machine gun, providing versatility in engagements. The fire control system is highly advanced, incorporating thermal imaging, laser rangefinding, and a ballistic computer, enabling accurate target engagement at long ranges under diverse conditions. Mobility is another strength, powered by a 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine that allows speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour on roads, and 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour off-road. The tank's tracks are designed for excellent traction and reduced ground pressure, enhancing cross-country performance. While the gas turbine engine offers high power, it is known for high fuel consumption, a trade-off for its mobility advantages. The M1 Abrams has a storied combat history, first proving its mettle during the Gulf War in 1991. In Operation Desert Storm, M1A1 tanks played a pivotal role in the coalition's swift victory over Iraqi forces, demonstrating superior firepower and survivability. The tank's performance in this conflict, where it faced Soviet-era T-72s, cemented its reputation as a dominant force on the battlefield. During the Iraq War, 2003 to 2011, the M1A2 was extensively deployed, facing insurgent forces and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. To address urban combat challenges, upgrades like the Tank Urban Survival Kit, TUSK, were introduced, enhancing crew protection and situational awareness with features like additional armor and slat armor to counter rocket-propelled grenades. In Afghanistan 2001 to 2021, the tank was used in limited numbers due to the mountainous terrain, supporting operations against Taliban forces. Throughout these conflicts, the Abrams demonstrated remarkable reliability, with no tank being destroyed by enemy fire in direct combat, though some were lost to mines and IEDs, highlighting the evolving nature of modern warfare. Taiwan is receiving the M1A2T, which is a special configuration of the M1A2C. M1A2C is an improved variant of Abram and contains many upgrades over its predecessor, and is better equipped for current battlefield scenarios. This includes an ammunition data link for improved targeting, the addition of enhanced infrared sights for superior night fighting capability, and an auxiliary power unit, APU, that will allow the tank to keep running communications and sensors and maintain battlefield awareness without having to use its powerful 1,500 horsepower gas turbine engine. M1A2C has better protection as it adds passive armor as well as a new explosive reactive armor package, known as the Abrams Reactive Armor Tile. Another important upgrade is the addition of the Trophy Active Protection System. It is an active or hard kill protection system that consists of sensors that are capable of detecting and tracking incoming anti-tank projectiles and have the capability to neutralize them with an interceptor. The main difference between the M1A2T and M1A2C is that it will have tungsten carbide armor instead of depleted uranium armor. The new tanks will likely be added to 2 armored battalions in northern Taiwan and are expected to replace some of the aging M60A3 Patton and CM11 Brave Tiger tanks currently in service. Taiwan's Republic of China, ROC Army, had been requesting the Abrams for a long time. When approving the deal in July 2019, the U.S.-Taiwan Business Council stated in a press release that, despite initial concerns over the efficiency of the M1A2 Abrams platform on Taiwan's coastal wetlands and in its mountains, the U.S. has provided the Taiwan military with the equipment it has requested, trusting to Taiwan war planners and military strategists to make their own determination of Taiwan's needs. Viewers may note the Chinese forces will have to move their equipment across the Taiwan Strait, which is around 100 miles or 160 kilometers wide. Shifting main battle tanks like Type 99 would be pretty difficult, and the process will be slow. Taiwan, on the other hand, would be able to use the heavily protected and highly lethal Abrams to mount an onslaught. The Abrams could be used with shoot-and-scoot tactics to maximize battle efficiency. China knows the implications very well and has opposed the deal from its inception. The then Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Geng Shuang stated that Beijing had lodged formal complaints through diplomatic channels, expressing strong dissatisfaction and resolute opposition to the proposed sale. Shuang had called the proposed deal a crude interference in Chinese internal affairs that harmed China's sovereignty and security interests. He also added, China urges the U.S. to immediately cancel the planned arms sale and stop military relations with Taipei to avoid damaging Sino-U.S. relations and harming peace and stability in the Taiwan Strait. Nobody should underestimate the Chinese government's and people's firm determination to defend the country's sovereignty and territorial integrity and oppose foreign interference. With Taiwan eventually getting the M1A2Ts, one of Beijing's most troubling fears is coming true.